how to add or remove games in Gaming Hub on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Gaming Hub app, and if you want to add or remove Gaming Hub, so click on this 4 dot icon. If you want to add game, so click on this 3 dot icon and click on add game. So you will add games from here. You will see game is add. If you want to remove game, so just click and hold on game, and now here showing you delete, so click on delete. You will see your games is delete. So you will add or remove gaming group games from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add or remove games in Gaming Hub app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.